Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we got another smart table lamp from ECOLOR. This is an affordable moon shape LED desk lamp that comes with a smart app control with so many color options. If you fancy getting one, please check the product link in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get started. In terms of the packaging, you can see the actual picture of the product itself with some specification are printed on, so you can guess what you are getting inside the box. As far as the unboxing concerned, you do get a service card on the top, followed by a user guide, micro USB charging cable, and last the Smart Moon lamp. Well, let's have a look at the design and the build quality. This table lamp has a half moon shape and it is made out of plastic material with a soft diffuser attached to top of the LED lights. The gloss white finish design perfectly blends with any room or desk setup. On the top you can see the touch sensor for power on off, and the bottom part of the light you can see two push buttons that helps to dim or adjust the brightness level, and the next one will help to change the color. When you long press, it will gradually increase the brightness level, or short press will allow you to choose 6 different brightness levels. Furthermore, with my color option button, when you short press you can change the color preset, or long press for 3 seconds to enter music mode. And again, when you short press you can exit from current mode. Having said that, to work music mode, this lamp has an inbuilt microphone located in the back of the lamp with the charging port and the LED indicator. And last, it has a padded layer installed to the base for better grip, so when you place it on the table it won't move around. It weighs about 700 grams and measures about 21 by 8 by 24 centimeters. Due to the compact and handy size, you can keep this lamp in any small space. This lamp takes DC 5V 1A power via micro USB cable. So you can use either USB plug socket or even a power bank to power this up. Having said that, you can take it with you when you travel and not to worry about main power source thanks to the power bank capability. Moving on to the Smart app, you can download the ECOLOR Live Smart app via either Android Play Store or Apple App Store. After connecting with the power, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions to connect the smart lamp. It's connected via Bluetooth 5.1 and has range of 164 feet wireless range. With the lamp, you can rename this lamp and do all the custom adjustment, including changing your preferred color or brightness level remotely. You get 3 main color modes available to try. The first one is the music mode. With this, light will react to the music and change the color accordingly. You get 3 different music mode options. The first one is follow mode. It will follow the rhythm with changing to different solid colors at a time. The second option is bubble, which will showcase like moving effect and again change color at a time. The last one is melody mode. With this mode, you can see the colors start to flash followed by the rhythm. You can adjust the sensitivity level and speed of the reaction via the app. The second main feature is color mode. With this, you can pick the preferred color of your choice from the color wheel. Again, you can choose 16 million different color options and adjust the hue level as well as change the saturation level. With this segment color option, you can display a mix of color of your choice. Then with the camera color option, you can showcase the specific color picked by the phone camera and the lamp will automatically change it accordingly. Furthermore, you can choose between the warm or cold option if you wish to use this as a reading lamp. Next mode is the scene mode, which will allow you to choose from 21 different scenes, and each one has a very unique and colorful effect. Moving on with the app, on top right corner you get 2 additional options. First one will allow you to assign your preferred color or scene that will sync with the physical push button on the bottom of the lamp itself, so you can easily enable the one you want without using the Smart app. With the second option, you can enable the lamp to gradually dim the light with the given time. Furthermore, you can set a time to turn it on or turn it off. At last, this lamp is very easy to control in both app or just using the physical button right from the lamp. So my final thought about this lamp is happy with the overall build quality and the moon shaped design of it. Controls are very easy and straightforward, and setup is no brainer. More importantly, it has good level of brightness level with so many different color and scenes mode available to play with. So obviously you can use this as a bedside lamp or mood lamp and even a reading lamp. For the price, I think this lamp is a fair deal. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about this smart table lamp in the comment section below. If you like the content, please hit the like and do consider subscribing to see more videos like this. Well, see you again with another one. Stay safe.